be reviewing the Room Essentials from Target shoe rack. This thing is great for however many shoes. Watch this. Just take it out of here real quick. So right now I have 5 pairs of shoes on here. I can fit another one right there, but guess what? This thing expands a lot. So you could probably fit a maximum of, let's see, maybe 12 shoes probably. 12 shoes, yeah, that seems about right. And this thing is really durable. It's made out of metal. It collapses very easily. You can make it as small as you want, or as big as you want.
A few moments later.
I just made a mess here, oh my. Anyways, so this shoe rack, this thing, very, very easy to build. It comes with 8 thumb screws, like this. If my camera will focus. There are 8 screws like this. Very, very easy just to thumb screws. Don't have to use any screwdriver, which is awesome. Take them off easy. Screw them in. Nice and easy. And what's also really good about this shoe rack is you can adjust the width of like the shoe. So if the shoe is smaller, like thinner, you can make this thinner too, so the shoe does not fall off the rack. That is a great feature. And you can do the same with this side too. To adjust the width of the rack, all you have to do is unscrew this a little bit, lift it up, and pull it to your adjusted size, the size you want. Put it back, make sure they're even, and then you are good to go. So let's see how long this thing is when it is fully compressed. So let's see. It is 23 inches long when it's fully compressed. Let's see, and this thing is 56 inches. 56 inches wide when you fully extend this. That means you can fit a ton of shoes. Let me see how many shoes I can fit on here. So let's just say I can fit 1 pair of shoes right here, a second pair right here, so that's 2, and we got a 3rd pair right here, 3, 4th pair right here, 4, 5th pair, 5. Okay, so 5 of these are pretty big. They're Nike Joyrides. They're pretty big. So you can fit 5 of these on the top. And let's just see if we had a smaller shoe. Like a pair of these. These are kind of smaller. We could fit 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. Oh, okay. Yeah, you could fit 5 pairs there on with any pair of shoes. You can fit at least 5. You can maybe try to squeeze in 6. So that means you would have 10 total pairs you could fit on this rack. And what's also nice is you have an additional 5 at the very bottom, because you can squeeze shoes under here, which that is a very nice thing. So it does not take up more room than it needs to to take up. What's also nice about this is you can expand it however length you want. So if you have a length of the walls right here. If you had 2 walls right here, you can expand it just to there. Just to squeeze it right there, and you could still fit probably at least 6 pairs of shoes. Actually, more. But you could probably fit 9 with the bottom. So also, do not make the mistake that I made. See these flat sides right here? These are the feet. So you want to look for this. Well, see this welding, how they welded it together because it's metal? That should be the bottom. It's not that many people are going to notice it, but it might bother you that there's a seam if you leave that on the top. So what I do is I flip it, I use that as the bottom, and I use this as the top where there is no welding mark. So that's it for the review of the shoe rack, but I am going to go through my growing collection of shoes that I now own. These are the Nike Joyrides. These Joyrides have these foam little balls at the bottom of the heel, and it kind of surrounds your heel to make it a super comfy feel. They also look pretty cool with the black and pink. They have so many other colorways, but they adjust after you wear them for a little while. They kind of conform to your foot, and they have there's more than just one big pocket of these little foam balls, and they are awesome. Next up are my Ultra Boost 4.0s with red, white, and black. These are really nice. As you know, Ultra Boosts are great. Really like these. Nothing too special about those, but they look really cool. Then we have a limited edition Nike or Adidas NMD Beijings. They had a limited supply of these. They have the Beijing lettering on here with the specialty tongue. That looks really cool, and metallic ends of the laces. I stayed up till 3 a.m. buying these, and I'm hoping to resell them at a higher price in a few months. And last but definitely not least, we have never been worn, never even taken out of the box before, the NMD R1 V2s Rio de Janeiro. These are limited edition as well. Stayed up till 3 a.m. to get these. They have the Rio de Janeiro on the back, as well as the cool tongue and the gold plate, or not gold plated. It's like metallic plated. That is metal though. Tips of the laces. Another cool shoe. I mainly have Adidas. I don't really have those. Nike Joyrides are the only other brand that I have, or as with my sandals, my Vineyard Vine sandals, but those don't really count. They're not really shoes. Alright, so that will do it for today. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button. Peace.